Hello everyone, it's me again, Dr. Kumuda from Mama Medical Center, your gynecologist. Today I'm going to answer this particular question, what are the symptoms of perimenopause? So kalau menopause, ramai yang tahu kan, menopause maksudnya tak datang period. So kalau setahun tak datang period, kita tahu menopause. So apa itu perimenopause? So perimenopause adalah waktu di mana it's a period of transition. Seorang wanita tu akan mengalami beberapa perubahan dalam badan dia sebelum dia sampai tahap menopause. Alright. Perubahan ini boleh start 4 ke 5 tahun sebelum menopause. Maksudnya, kalau seseorang itu nak menopause pada umur 51, period dia nak berhenti, tanda perubahan pada badan dia, simptom-simptom akan mula pada umur 46 tahun. So, it can start way much earlier before period itu berhenti. So, sekarang, apa itu tanda-tanda menopause? So, let's see what are the perimenopausal symptom. Number one is, of course, period tak menentu. Dia tak datang regularly every month. Kadang-kadang bila dia datang lama banyak. And then, kalau dia stop 2-3 months. Dia dah mula irregular. Okay? So, why all these changes happen? Because of hormon wanita, estrogen dah mula kurang. Okay? Another thing is, you get hot flushes. Tiba-tiba je badan dia dari bahagian kepala, leher semua dia rasa panas sangat sampai nak pening-pening pun ada. Alright, third is night sweats. Because of these night sweats, wanita tu tak cukup tidur waktu malam. So bila siang hari dia rasa letih dan very irritable. Alright, another thing that can happen is mood swings. She can be irritable, she can have depressed mood. Sometimes they can have low self-esteem as well. Then somebody who's already having migraine and headache, dia kekerapan boleh jadi lagi kerap lah migraine dan headache ni. And then they have jantung rasa berdebar laju, dia punya kulit jadi kering dan gatal-gatal, and then dia boleh dapat recurrent urinary tract infection, and sometimes they have vaginal dryness and low sexual drive. The thing is, bukan semua orang akan alami semua tanda-tanda ni. Sometimes some people have 2 or 3 symptoms and very mild. But some unfortunate ladies, they have very severe symptoms that it affects their daily life. Dari segi relationship, family, and then work as well. So this kind of patient need to be started on hormone replacement therapy. But the good news is, it won't last forever. Alright.